Got the game on lock, need a locksmith. You can hate, but you cannot stop this. I go hard like I was in a mosh pit. Flow so sick, you would think it was toxic. I make moves, I don't just talk shit. Don't give a fuck, cause I'm on that bar shit. I blast off like I am in a rocket. I'm a perfect fit like I'm a damn socket. Yeah, bitch, you know I stay fly. You know that I am that guy. I feel like I can fly. Cause when I do shows, everybody's hands in the sky. Yeah, I go hard in the paint. Couldn't go far cause you stank. I stay lit on that dank. Fuck that bitch, she a skank. I need a drink. Don't give a fuck what you think. Because it's you are outranked. Laughing on my way to the bank. And yes, I get it. Yeah, no, I do it. Yeah, please don't tell me I can't. I'm just trying to get it. I'm just trying to make a living. Every day the plot thickens. Got the bounce like I'm Jiminy Cricket. Got a bad bitch and she licking. Blowing up blunts, I'm spliffing. Yeah, it's fire, I'm spitting. Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah, I am steady, swagging out, tryna make it living. Man, I swear these days, all these motherfuckers two-faced. I can see it clearly like it was a fucking Blu-ray. You ask me about my friends, yeah, I'ma say who they. Cause only friends I got is them honeys with a blue face. People ask me how I'm doing and I say okay. Then they turn around and start some rumors like they know me. But what they don't know, this guy right here don't play. You fuck with me and I'ma spray your ass with the AK of 45. Straight bustin', yeah, that shit go live. You don't wanna see the pain that is entered in my eyes. Yeah, cause in a dark heart, yeah, that's also where love lies. So you don't fuck with a real one or my family, you will die. Yeah, I be steady winning, feeling high, way up in the sky. Cause I'm fly, close to the edge. Swear I've been grinding so hard, my vision all I see is red. I murdered this beat like 10 shots to the head. And please don't act stupid, you heard what I said. Yeah, this talk's not a TED. This poetic shit, get to that bread. I gotta stay on the grind, yeah, till I shine. To make sure that my kids stay fed. I'm tryna get it, told my little sister stay on the grind and always stay with it. I've been on my shit shape since the beginning, and you know I ride. No, I'm never snitching, no, I ain't no snitch. Yeah, they got thousands of plugs and I'm at the top of their list. Stack it and flip it, yeah, I need a brick. I'm trying to get to the millions right quick, yeah. Swear that I started a new wave, bitch, you starting to get seasick. Yeah, this shit salty, just like my bitch. If she's talking shit, hit her with the dick. This life's so amazing, yeah, I've been running hard. These bars, I keep on racing, ayy, chasing the vision. Homie right here, he on the mission, yeah. Stay with it, stay hidden. Sharp shooter, I ain't never missing. Yeah, I'm like a black ops on a mission. Catching my line, but I'm not fishing. Want me, you can keep wishing. Gonna get it, yeah, I'm gonna get it. Grinding till I get the goal. Like Pop Smoke, I got the wool. I be hanging with my dudes, bet you gonna make the news. If you fucking with my crew, yeah, we done paid our dues. And we never pick and choose, ayy.